Did you know your phone is secretly tracking you? It's listening to your conversations, monitoring your app usage, and even knowing what you search for online. These features are enabled by default on every Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to disable 3 sneaky features that are draining your battery, slowing down your phone, and worst of all, spying on you. Let's get started. Disable app tracking. Go to Settings. Google. All services. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and tap on Personalize using shared data. Turn off the toggle for every app listed here. This will prevent these apps from monitoring your phone activity. Turn off Usage and Diagnostics. Go back to the Privacy and Security section and tap on Ads. Scroll down and tap on Reset Advertising ID. Confirm the reset to prevent personalized ads and protect your privacy. By disabling these features, you'll not only improve your phone's performance, but also regain control of your privacy. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.